If you've been watching my dental videos, welcome back. If you're new here, I am in the process of getting all of my teeth. What's that?
Be still.
No,
you're rocking back and forth.
I'm leaving the air business.
Just go.
Okay, if you are new here, Linda,
You're just like, meow.
you're moving the camera. I'm not moving it at all.
Okay.
If you are new here, I am getting my teeth all made over. Today, I'm going, well, I guess before they finished my top teeth in the last video. Today, I'm going to start on the bottom. Let's go, Linda. Excellent.
How are those teeth doing?
They're doing great.
Temporaries for all these anterior segments. So right away they will start looking different.
Sure.
And then I'm gonna work on getting them all cleaned and rebuilt, and whenever we're ready, we're just gonna do everything.
Excellent.
See how quiet he is?
I know.
I have this for rent. If you ever need one. See the texture on the surface,
Right.
See, and here, even though it has a different color, you can see that the texture on the surface is all even.
Sure.
Because it's not decayed, it's just stained from all the time that it was exposed to the bacteria.
It is another day and we are headed back to the dentist. The segment you just watched was he cleaned the bottom teeth really well and then filled in some areas that he needed to fill in. So today it should be, we are working on the front 6 and he should be shaping them and then taking pictures so that we can send the pictures to Sky Dental Lab and they can make the new front 6 teeth. See you there. say something.
just got all the pictures done. He's downloading them now, and now we're gonna get temporaries put in till the teeth are ready. Right?
That's right.
Howdy, Katie.
Don't let him work. I could talk all day.
She can. Please, right? Soft. Okay.
There's his teeth.
Rick, you're gonna feel a whole new thing underneath, I mean in the back. And when tongue finds something new, it always wants to be playing with it.
Yeah.
Okay? Try not to, so it won't get irritated.
Okay.
They should be here next week.
Okay.
But I'll make sure that Katie lets you know as soon as I have him. You put them right away, so your gums, they start healing, and by the time you have to go, everything looks very nice.
Excellent.
Awesome. Okay, Rick. So I'll see you next week for
All
sure.
right. Thank you,
Okay?
sir. Okay, well, we're here with Katie again, and you all should probably know her. I got a numb lip, so I'm not going to talk a whole lot. But tell the viewers where we're at now and where we're headed.
Okay, so we're on our second phase of the bottom teeth, and so we're halfway through. We're waiting for the lab to get back with us to put on the final teeth for the bottom, and we'll go from there
Okay, coming up soon, huh?
very soon.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
The lab is called. The front 6 bottom teeth are ready. Let's go get them put on.
Just like that, you see? In 1 minute you have a new smile. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
You said you leave on Thursday?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then can I see you maybe Tuesday or Wednesday?
Tuesday would be great.
Tuesday to do some finishing.
Sure.
Just do all the sealing around. Make sure that you don't feel that uncomfortable on the back.
Sure. Well, they're nice.
Right? Yeah, very nice. Okay, no problem. I'll ask Katie to help us finding a spot. It won't take
Okay.
more than maybe 20 minutes,
Okay.
15, 20 minutes.
Okay.
Just a little finishing, so you feel them super comfortable and have a good time on the wedding.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you.
Awesome.